Welcome to a room tour. So we just checked in. This is a family room. So it's a 2-bedroom. So we have 2 separate bedrooms here. We'll start over here. And right when you walk in, you have a nice piece of art and a litter receptacle. And then we have 2 luggage racks, twin luggage racks, one on each side. And this is a tented camp. It does have the cement floor, and then this would be considered the master. And these beds can be pushed together or pulled apart, whether you want to sleep 4 individually or 2 and 2, any configuration that you want. We have a nice little writing desk over here with a chair. So the 2 twin beds. There is an outlet down here in the corner and another outlet over here. It's 220 voltage, so you do need to bring an adapter, but they do have USB ports here with 2 little lamps on each side. The thing I like about this camp is they do have an emergency button. So if you want to leave your room at night and would like an armed escort, all you have to do is push the button and someone will be here within 5 minutes. The views are incredible of this game reserve. And we have 2 windows here, and you can see out here. And then when you come this way, we'll go over here and we'll end in the bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So over here we have 2 chairs for seating. You can also probably take these outside. They're safari camp chairs. Writing table, and then we have 1 single bed over here. There's only 2 of us sharing the room, and so they just put they kept 1 bed in here, but they can configure it to have the 2 beds like they had in the other room, or put them together for a king. And we do have electricity and running water in this room. And then here is the bathroom. It is a tent, of course, so it's an open bathroom. Lots of light, lots of electricity. And then you have your shower curtain. We have a step-in shower. We have hot water and running water. And then we have a little closet area. We have some extra blankets up here, some towels. What is this? That's probably for a wine bottle. Little box. And then we do have a nice sink. The water is drinkable, so you can drink the tap water. Nice mirror, soap, tissues, some towels. And then we come in here, and here is the restroom. And then we're back out here to the room that we started in.